Hey everyone, this is Sean coming to you from Families Creating Financial Freedom. Today's topic is going to be the Federal Student Loan Debt Relief Program. Just this week, they released the link and the official details of who qualifies and how you apply, what to expect, what the deadline it is. I wanted to make sure you know that you have until December 31st, 2023, over a year to apply. But as you learn through our programs, you want to take advantage of this as soon as you can to either eliminate your student loans or reduce what the total balance is, because we want to get rid of those. We want to pay them off. And the sooner you can do that, the sooner you free up the money from that monthly payment to apply to any other debts and wealth building to experience true financial freedom. So I'm going to share a snippet of the link page so that you see what you have to attest to understand the rules. So in the link, you'll have to affirm that one of the following is true, not all, but one. So from 2020 or 2021, either A, you didn't even make enough income to file federal income tax; two, that as a single tax filer, or as someone married filing separately, you made less than 125,000, or if you were married filing jointly, head of household, or a qualifying widower, the threshold then becomes 250,000. Now, if you're thinking 250,000 or 125,000, that's a little deceiving. You have to look at your tax returns and see what your AGI was, or adjusted gross income. That's the number after above the top deductions are taken off of your income. And so while you might make 150,000 after you deduct other items like mortgage interest, business expenses, any other write-offs, if your income at your AGI level is below the 125,000 or 250,000 level, you qualify to apply. Again, this link and this application initially takes less than 2 minutes to fill out and submit. After you submit it, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that you have applied and you are in the process. The other thing is, there's a lot of conversation about you've heard $10,000, you've heard 20,000. Which is what? How does it apply? 10,000 is the student loan debt relief. However, if you have a Pell Grant, you will automatically receive an additional $10,000. So you receive a total of 20,000. If you have a Pell Grant, you know what the terms and conditions were for you to have a Pell Grant and why that applies additionally for you. But for most Americans, you're going to see a $10,000 elimination of student debt from your plan. The other rumor going around is that if you refinance to a private lender or your student loans are held by a private lender, you're not going to be eligible. Every credible source of information I have read says that you will be eligible. And so I want to make sure that you don't automatically assume that you can't get that $10,000 that you lost out. Now, I've had clients over the past couple of years that wanted to refinance their student loan into a home equity or a mortgage. And over the last couple of years, when they mentioned this, I recommended don't do it. Wait. First of all, below a certain income level, you're able to write off the student loan interest. The other thing is, in another video, we're going to talk about using a 529 as a leverage to create a write-off depending on your state to pay on your student loans. That was another incentive in not rushing to refinance into a home equity line or a mortgage. But if you have done that, you can't get that money back. You won't be able to reflect that you paid it off, and it is no longer student loan that exists out there for you. And please give me the $10,000 anyway, unfortunately. But if you have a federally held or privately held student loan and Pell Grant, you can receive $10,000 up to $20,000 in debt relief. So in the bottom in comments, I'm going to try and share the link to the program so that makes it a little bit easier. Please jump on this, take advantage of it, and have a great day.